So today we're gonna be drawing Chew. Whoa. What just fell? Where did this come from? I saw this. Wait. Did I just need to make a drawing? Yeah! Let's see if I can do it again. Okay, down again. Oh, I just did that. My friend is so jealous. It's gonna be so nice. I'm so happy.